So hello everyone. Thank you for your time and attending this class. Will be the final class in this term, and we are starting the term holidays. It is similar to the school holidays. So almost 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks. For all your questions on the chat and by emails, I'll get back to you after finishing the recording. By emails, I reply to your emails after the session today. So we will be back by 19th of April for the new unit, and this would be Tuesday, 19th of April, after the term holiday. As usual, and just as a reminder for everyone, we are taking public holidays and similar to government, schools, and so forth, in addition to term holidays. Okay, today we are discussing something else. So this is the first part.